Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
All right. So the first thing I'd like you to do is go into Incognito. If you don't know how to go to it, if you're in Chrome, you're going to go up to these three dots right up here, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to go New Incognito. Okay. I happen to have one open over here, so I'm going to bring it here. And I want you to look up a couple of things. First of all, open up YouTube. You don't want to sign in. You just want to search for your name. So I'm going to search for Franisaro, because I want people to know who I am. And I did show up in Incognito, because Incognito is going to have it where your computer saves some of that stuff. So you want to go where it doesn't really know who you are. So I'm in there under Franisaro. That's good. But there was a time, actually, I was already a senior tuber. I was already teaching this, and I never checked my channel. I never saw that I wasn't searchable. Old channels were coming up. And if that's the case, you have to make sure that either that channel, if it's supposed to be there, you'll keep it there. But if not, you want to make sure that you delete it, or you can just hide it, whichever you prefer. The other thing you're going to want to do is look up your channel name. So I just noticed tonight that if I put in senior tuber, I don't show up right away. And see, it takes a while. It doesn't show anything. But if I'm looking for a channel, I can go into the filter section and I can go to channel, and let's see if I show up there. And I don't. So this is really important. We're going to talk about what to do when this happens. I want to show up if the senior tuber is up there, but I've been using a certain term lately, and I'm going to pull that up. Okay. And I do show up. And you can have it right now. If you see a square or rectangular picture, that's representing a video. Anything that's a circle represents a channel. So if I want to see just channels, I'll go here, and then it will show all the people that might relate to a senior tuber community. You see a lot of seniors out there, so that's what shows up. So check yours and see what you're seeing on that. And here's what you do. If you don't see it, it's about tagging properly. Go back to your channel and tag how you want people to find you. If somebody's looking you up by name or somebody's looking you up by channel, then you should be in at least the channel tags, and preferably at least every other tag that you're putting on your videos. It should be out there because somebody's going to want to find you. So for instance, I go to networking groups. When I meet people there, I look up their channel right while I'm talking to them. I want to see what they're doing on YouTube, right? So if people are looking you up and they can't find you, that's not what you want, especially if you're putting really valuable stuff on your YouTube channel for your clients, all right? And same thing with your name. You want to put your name on there or anything that you think people might be searching for you. All right, so that's what you want to write down, what adjustments you want to make when you did do this. What didn't come up? Was it your title, your channel, or was it your profile?
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.